Okay. Another fine okay video. So we were just talking about what we just did. We were sitting here and Lucky was with us. We were kind of relaxing. We had some friends come over to look at the rocket mass heater today, and so anyways, they had left and we were just kind of relaxing, and I heard a kind of a weird rumbly noise out by the cisterns, which made me nervous. And then I thought, oh, maybe it's just the humidifier bubbling. Well, then that was the humidifier bubbling. I don't know if you could hear that. But then we heard it again.
Well, you went over to do dishes again, and I went over to the corner and figured out once I got over there, Jamie said it was probably the ice dropping out of our diverter tube for the water catchment system.
So, is the ice out there still?
Yeah.
Can you see it? Oh, I'm going to come see it. So, this winter has been a lot of lessons about water and gutters. You can see up there the gutter guard that we put in is getting pushed out by the snow. Most of it's already come out. So, this tube this ice was inside.
There's another piece.
Yeah.
And this piece is going down on the ground. And wet.
So yeah, that ice was basically filling that tube because we
what is this ring?
So that ring goes in around it. Okay, I think maybe figured this out. So the ball goes in because it floats up to the top of that tube and then blocks off so that only the first flush of water fills that tube, and then slowly but surely that stuff comes out at the bottom of the tube through a real slow release valve, or you can unscrew it and it unreleases fast. So we're getting those put back in place so we can start getting some water. So Danny headed out to check it out, and sure enough, the big ice core had fallen from the diverter tube, the first flush system. So, yeah, we ended up replacing so last year when everything froze and I went out to unscrew the bottom of the tubes, one of the things I didn't realize was the little plastic thin filter that goes inside the tube is plastic and not super strong, and when I went to remove the bottom of the tube, it was also frozen in ice, so I basically sheared off the bottom ring which holds it into place, and the tube was stuck inside the ice inside the first flush system. So, do you want in the video? Of course.
So we ordered stainless replacement screens, so we won't have just plastic ones in there.
Yeah, so Danny
they're also larger, so.
Yeah, they're really nice. So Danny went out to, now that the ice core had removed itself, I actually thought it was kind of going to be just one big, I think it was about 5 or 6 feet long, and so I thought it was going to actually be sticking out the tube and still in the diverter, but it actually broke into pieces. So we got that put in place, and that's really good.
Yep. We got 3 pieces of 2-foot long ice.
And tomorrow is when the rain starts?
Tomorrow you're supposed to get over a ½ inch of rain tomorrow. That'll wash the rest of the snow off the roof that we're holding in place with our snow bars so we can get the water.
Yeah, and we could hear it when we showed our friends who visited, we showed them the cisterns, and you could hear it trickling in. And tomorrow hopefully we'll have some nice rushing water coming in. I did look in the cisterns with Esther, and the east cistern is about this far from the overflow tube that flows into the west cistern, and the west cistern is still more than halfway full. So
And that's one we've been pulling water out of for a week.
Yeah. And I've taken a couple of showers and washed dishes a couple times and filled up the Berkey for drinking water. So yeah, so we've used a little bit of water and we're still in good shape.
Good.
Want to stop it?
Yeah.
I have cat gravity now.
And that should top off our water tanks tomorrow.